factories, smart grids, manufacturing plants, they don't just have the machines anymore today. There won't be any air-gapped systems today. They have sensors who can talk to AI. They are smart, intelligent devices. The sensors who are at the field talks to AI predicting the failures before they even happen. Digital twin solutions simulates the operations to cut through the operational risk and cost. Today, this is the new industrial evolution. Operations technology, we call it as OT, converged with the IT, which is informational technology enterprises. On the top of that, AI mix. It's not in the future, it's right here today. And that's rewriting the rules for the leadership. I am Bharti Bharat Raja, having 18 plus years of experience in the industry automation and cybersecurity, driving secure digital transformation aligned with global security standards and regulations. Industry 4.0 isn't just about technology. It's a business impact. OT getting converged with IT and the AI, industry is going to have a huge benefits like predictive maintenance, energy standardization, data monetization. It's not about just technology, it's about the competitive advantage. Here is the reality. More the connectivity, more the exposure. What about the threat landscape? What about the risks involved here? OT systems, naturally, they are not developed having them in the mind that they can communicate in the open network space. Now, when you connect the OT devices with the IT, on the top of that AI layer is going to emerge huge risk to the industries. It could be data manipulation, it could be contractual algorithms, it could be data leakage, it could be operational loss, production loss, and in the OT, security of the humans is the main safety concern. Security is not only IT's concern, it's about business survival issue. So, what's the next move? There are 3 non-negotiables to be considered. Number 1, governance as a strategy, where security should be taken at every business plan. Second, resilience in ROI. Today, a proactive security investment of $1 can save $4 to $6 later in the later stage of the entire infrastructure. AI as a trust capacity, where you are using the secure transformation with the secure framework, then you are protecting the entire industry. So, OT and IT convergence isn't inevitable, it's transformative, and then for the smarter grid operations, for the greener operations, and a secure transformations for the resilient enterprises for the secure operations. Thank you.